Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am sharing the recipe of famous English dessert which is Banoffee Pie. This is my favorite dessert and it tastes delicious. Banoffee Pie is a combination of bananas and toffee sauce and hence the name Banoffee. Firstly, let's prepare the toffee sauce. I have taken 400 grams of condensed milk. Remove the plastic lid and place it in a pressure cooker. Fill the pressure cooker with water, so basically the condensed milk should completely immerse in water. Close the pressure cooker with the lid with the weight in it. We have to cook the condensed milk for exactly 30 minutes from low to medium flame. So the cooking time is very important, friends. Cool the condensed milk completely before opening it. Well, the toffee sauce has beautifully turned out and this is the perfect consistency, friends. We have to cook exactly for 30 minutes to get this consistency. I have already shared the recipe of Banoffee Pie in this channel. This is just modified version, friends. You can use this toffee sauce in lots of desserts like cakes, ice creams, puddings. Mix it nicely with a spoon so that you'll get this creamy texture. Banoffee Pie is easy to make and this is my Amma's favorite one. Next, I'm going to prepare a biscuit base for the pie. Here I have taken 30 marigold biscuit. Next we need 100 grams of butter. I'm going to melt the butter in microwave. You can also melt it in gas stove. I just cooked the butter for 30 seconds in microwave and it has melted perfectly. I'm going to set the Banoffee pie in this pie dish. This is 9-inch pie dish and grease it with butter. I have grinded the 30 marigold biscuits into a fine powder like this. Add in the melted butter little by little and mix it. Do not add the butter in one go. We should get sandy texture, so add butter slowly and mix it. The biscuit mix is ready now. Line the pie dish with the biscuit butter mix. You can set this pudding in individual small bowls as well. Press the biscuit base with the spatula nicely like this. The first layer, which is the biscuit base, is ready now. Place the biscuit base into the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Here I have taken 1 cup of whipping cream. So for this dessert, we need whipping cream and not the fresh cream. Whisk the whipping cream to stiff peak consistency. The whipped cream is ready now. I have taken the soft toffee sauce in a piping bag. I found it easy to spread the toffee sauce when it is taken in piping bag. The biscuit base is taken out of the refrigerator and it's time to add the toffee sauce. Spread the toffee sauce evenly like the way I am doing. This method is really easy and the toffee sauce is easily spreadable now. The second layer, which is the toffee sauce layer, is ready now. We need 4 robusta bananas for this pie. So robusta banana only tastes good for this Banoffee pie. I have sliced the bananas into round pieces like this. Now arrange the third layer, which is banana, on top of toffee sauce. Actually, this is such an interesting dessert to make, friends. The banana layer is ready now and it's time to add the final layer. Cover the Banoffee pie with the whipped cream. Banoffee pie is loaded with toffee sauce, banana flavor and whipped cream. This is a famous British dessert and do give it a try at least once and you'll definitely like it. Look at it, friends, our Banoffee pie is almost ready now. Now comes the final touch to the Banoffee pie. I have finely grated milk chocolate here. Actually, milk chocolate tastes good and the dark chocolate has bitter taste in it. Add in the grated chocolate on top of the whipped cream. The delicious, rich Banoffee pie is ready now. Set this dessert in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. I always prefer to keep this dessert into the refrigerator for overnight. I have taken the Banoffee pie out of the refrigerator and it's time to serve now. Normally we used to prepare this Banoffee pie during festivals and this will be always showstopper, friends. Isn't it easy to prepare this Banoffee pie? Do try this and share me the feedback. I tried this pie first when I was studying in London. Ever since, this is my favorite out of all desserts. Look at it, friends. This has biscuit base, toffee sauce, bananas, whipped cream and milk chocolate. Subscribe my channel if you like this recipe. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.